Three of us stand here together
I'm gonna get you right now.
like the family
Kilmin ko muna, man.
we once were and always will be. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion.
Yeah. Ito ang madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing a song together like tatlo.
I'm glad you came last night.
But this was a surprise.
Yes.
I just found this out.
This is impromptu.
Last
Biglaan.
night.
Ang galing mag-aral ito kasi alam mo naman, nasayo ko man.
Hindi ko lang din na mag-aaralan to. Pareho kami.
Pero I have a song for Casey. You have a song for her too.
Sing that song.
Usually, this song is sung as a love song for weddings, so someone you love. Tonight, I will sing it for my eldest daughter. I have 4 children. I do not have 3. I have 4. The first child to come and make me feel like a mother was this not so little girl beside me anymore. But she made my life complete. And if there is anything I regret,
Tigilan niyo yan.
sorry kids, we couldn't give you that complete family. But you have 2 families loving you.
Yes.
And Papa and I never stopped loving you. And you were never the problem.
I love you.
Okay na kayo, ha?
Kanina pa kayo nag-holding hands.
Huwag ka masyado chill kasi lagi mong kasama. May naman ng konti. Namimiss
Makita
ko
ko
rin.
lang okay na sila. Okay na rin. I'm happy.
Oh, mag-intertwine na nga yung mga daliri ninyong dalawa pa, ma.
May crush na.
I know. Oh, kunyari ka pa pa.
Sandali lang.
Oh, confirm.
Sandali lang.
Sabi ko may crush sa kanyang papa niya. Sabi niya, I know.
Ma, tagal natin nagsama tayong dalawa na.
Oo. Sige, kaya nga pagbibigyan kita. Congrats. Thank you.
Grabe, para naman ako nasa isang panaginip. Naku, ano kayo nangyari dyan?
Huwag kayo, ikaw marites ka. Just nasa yan eh.
Kinikilig ang...
This is for you, Tutu. This is for you, Kukay, Kachuchay, Katutay, Tuti, Tutut, my baby girl. My eldest.
Saling puso ako dito.
Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal. Tugon sa aking dasal. Sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang mahalin kong baby ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Kapiyak nitong puso ko. Walang ikahatimang saglit.
May away na sa likod. Teka lang. Moment ko to. My gosh. Ang sarap niyong makita together sa isang stage.
I'm so happy. Okay na.
Ngayon kailan may ikaw Sumali ka naman dito.
Baka hindi ko
Ginawa
makakanta.
natin to
Baka
eh.
hindi ko makakanta.
Okay. Okay. When your papa will singing. Tayo naman ba?
You are the sunshine